Alright, in these lessons, we're going to be further looking at navigating some digital information. So with these ones, it's pretty easy and it's kind of follows the same pattern the rest of the week. There's going to be like a little short video on some different tools and techniques that you can follow. So you want to watch those first. And then basically in the discussion boards that we've been looking at, they're going to ask you a couple of questions based off of what you did. So for this first one, it says, what does the sponsored content mean? And then the person that's in the video out that the study from Stanford University found that students and adults judge a website's validity on its looks, statistics, and blah, 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 blah when valuing websites. What elements do you look for to ensure the information on the site is credible? Okay, so going back to what we looked at, one of my cats must have been eating a plant. So going back and thinking about checking validity of sources, what kind of things do you already look for? So like I said, we're going to be going through some of these topics a little bit more and talking about them in a little bit more detail and start to build some of this skills so we really fully understand what to look for. So other than that, today should be pretty easy. Just watch the two videos and then answer the two discussion questions based off of what you saw.